Welcome back to Bespoke Edit. I'm just going to open this box. First of all, do forgive the state of me. I'm absolutely filthy. Anyway, excuse that. I'm putting a new roof on the house and I've come down off the roof to come and open this box. Quite excited, really. I made a video yesterday and there's no blade in this knife. Okay, I'll keep talking, look for another knife. This one will do. I made a video yesterday showing a gorgeous pair of George Cleverley, which I was just cleaning up, and I intended to keep, but I've decided to do a trade with the George Cleverley and another pair actually of Lazy Mans, and I've traded them for this pair, which are really very special. Let's open it and have a look. And the other is an Instagram friend. He's already received the shoes. I've had a message from him and he's very, very pleased. So, right, let's drop these boxes on the floor. Quite apprehensive. Wow. Oh my goodness me. Those who are familiar with exotic shoes and fine skins, etc., will recognise what this is immediately. This is 1786 Russian reindeer, made by George Cleverley in 1990. They're just stunning. Goodness me, I'm almost lost for words. I expect them to be nice, but they are truly stunning. And I'll make a better video when I'm not filthy and sort of huffing and puffing, having just come off my bike, and we'll have a really, really good look at these. But this is the famous skin that's been salvaged from the wreck of the Danish ship, the Mette Katarina, having spent 200 years, just short of 200 years, at the bottom of the sea. So, wow. Yes. I'm so pleased, so pleased. The very interesting story from where these came from, who they were made for and purchased by. I'll talk about that when I make another video in a few days' time. But I just wanted to come and open the box, and I'm speechless. I'm absolutely staggered how stunning these are, and I'm not even going to try them on. I'm just going to gaze at them and turn off this video and put them back in the box and come back to it in a few days' time. But, I've recently sold my Russian reindeer skins. Those who follow the channel will know, and they are spectacular, but they were way too big for me and I couldn't really wear them. These are much more my size, and not the size of the gentleman that sold them. Well, no, we didn't sell them, we exchanged. He offered them as a sale, but I'm not buying at the moment. I'm having to sell and get rid. So I've sent 2 pairs of my shoes out of my collection, brought 1 pair in. So I'm extremely pleased. But yes, I'm making no real sense in this video. I'm quite excited. So let me just turn this off before I embarrass myself. I shouldn't really be coming on camera in such a grotty condition, covered in brick dust and roof dust, but I really just wanted to see these spectacular things. You know, I knew I'd had a notification that they'd arrived, so I've cycled down. I have to say I'm working on the roof, putting a complete new roof on the house, and it's a massive job. So I've just jumped down. I didn't even bother changing. I've just cycled down to come and open and have a look. Wow. I'll do a better video when I'm less incoherent, and we'll have a much clearer look at these things later.